Hello everyone, my name is Michael Hoover. I am the East Coast Regional Sales Manager for DRV Mobile Suites. Today we're standing in a mobile suite Cumberland floor plan. This is a floor plan that you don't see very often, at least on dealers' lots, because it is a unique floor plan. So typically you don't find this on dealers' lots. So today I really wanted to take the time to show you this floor plan, as well as talk about a lot of the features and benefits of the DRV construction of a mobile suite. So I am standing right now in the living room of the mobile suite Cumberland. Being that we are semi-custom, we do have a lot of options available to us. In this specific floor plan, we do have carpet on the living room floor. However, if you don't want carpet, we will gladly take the LVT vinyl flooring from the kitchen and we'll pull that all the way through the living room, so it's a tile all the way through the unit. As well as you're going to see a few changes that we did for 2018. When you look behind me, you're going to notice that our window valances have changed a little bit. They're still going with the same theme, just we added a little bit of a wood trim to the top, kind of a cleaner, sleeker look. We still have plenty of storage in our units. You'll find that in all the floor plans of the DRV mobile suites. Storage is the number one thing that we hear full-timers are always looking for. So you're going to find that we put storage in almost any area that we can find. As well as, some little subtle changes as far as the wallboard, the lighting by the windows and valances and things like that. For the most part, you're going to see that it's just aesthetic changes. You're not going to see really you're not going to see any changes as far as suspension, the frame, the construction of the sidewalls, the roofing and things like that. That's all staying the same. The things that are changing are more little appeals, aesthetic changes, little touches here and there. You're also going to notice that we did do a shorter couch. It's not quite as wide. In order to do that, we wanted to put end tables on each side of the couch. So going with a smaller couch, we were able to accommodate end tables on each side of the sofa. In the DRV mobile suites, you're going to notice a beautiful entertainment center with plenty of storage up above the TV. The TV is a large 55-inch LG LED TV. Below that, you're going to notice a beautiful Furrion fireplace. This does put out heat, so it will warm up this area. But here's one other hidden trick that I'd like to point out to you. We got a lovely hidden storage spot behind our fireplace for whatever you might put back behind there that you don't want visitors to see, or something that might be harder to find. You're also going to notice above that we do have a beautiful pull-out desk. In this specific floor plan, there is no space to accommodate a desk in the living room slide. A lot of our other floor plans, they do have a desk that goes on the living room slide, but in this one, because we have some a closet over there, we put it in the entertainment center for you. With our TV, it does come with a home theater package, so there is a surround sound. There are speakers up above us that are hidden, as well as in the wall behind the theater seats. Your subwoofer will be in here, as well as all your components for your surround sound DVD player will be in the ample storage that is above it. So now we are in the kitchen of the mobile suite Cumberland floor plan. A couple things I want to point out to you. Solid surface countertops are going to be standard in all of the mobile suites. If you wanted to get an elite suite quartz countertops, you could do that as well. What you're going to notice in the 2018s, one of the changes is our sinks. They do go to a square styled sink for you compared to the rounded that we used to have. You're going to notice a Furrion convection microwave, as well as a Furrion 3-burner stovetop. When you're not using the stove, you just take this lid and you keep it down. That way you have ample solid surface countertops there for you for whatever you might be doing. Below that, you'll notice that we have another beautiful Furrion oven. In the DRVs, we know our retail customers are living in their units full time, so we try to bring as much residential feel to this unit as possible. And one of the things you're going to notice is a large 20 cubic foot Whirlpool refrigerator with French doors above and a beautiful pull-out freezer below. Along with that, one thing that I like to point out to customers is the side here we do have two doors that open for spice racks on the side of the unit. Here in the kitchen, we're also going to have standard on the mobile suites and elite suites will be a dishwasher. It is a Fisher Paykel dishwasher, does a wonderful job. As far as the cabinetry goes, what you're looking at is the hazelnut wood color. We do also offer a darker color called the mocha cherry. One of the features I always like to point out to retail customers is our table and the buffet. First, what you'll do is unlock the side here and pull out. And then there's two locks right here. And you pull a leaf, you can put a leaf in there. An option for the chairs is adding two foldable dinette chairs, which are typically stored underneath the bed. That way you can get 4 people here at the table. So being that we are in the Cumberland floor plan, you're going to notice two features on this floor plan that are different than what you would find standard in our other floor plans. This side over here is going to feature a mid-bunk. The current setup for this is a theater seating below with storage above, as well as a drop-down TV that is in the cabinet above it. However, we do have some changes that people like to do. In this mid-bunk area, we've had some customers that have wanted to do 2 bunk beds in there. We can definitely do that for you. We have a lot of room to do some things. If you'd rather make it kind of an office suite, we could do that for you as well. I know one customer that has turned this into his music room. On this side of me, you're gonna see a large pantry with 4 L-shaped shelves there for all of your kitchen needs, whether it's your cereal, maybe you're using it as a closet for your coats and shoes as well. We are now in the master suite of the Cumberland floor plan on the DRV Mobile Suites. I'm going to show you some things that are standard for all of our units. One thing is going to be a king bed. With this king bed and in this specific floor plan, you do have 2 little nightstands to each side. You're going to find a beautiful headboard at the top of the bed, as well as some more storage above it. As you can see in this unit, I'm about 6 foot tall. I'm at the front of the unit. I do have plenty of height above me here, so it can accommodate some tall people. Opposite side of the bed will be a beautiful vanity slide that is on a slide. This is just bringing your dresser out about 8 inches just to give you more walking space between the vanity and the end of the bed. You're also going to notice a nice 32-inch TV up here as well, along with your DVD player below. At the front of the unit, this is standard in all of our units. It's going to be a cedar lined closet. It's a beautiful closet. You'll have a hanging clothes rod above, as well as some storage in here. This one does have the option for a safe in it. We have some options we can do in here. Some floor plans have cubby holes for shoes, some shirts and things like that. We've had some customers do a couple variations in the front of the closets. In the bathroom of our DRV Mobile Suites, you'll see a beautiful Corian solid surface sink and countertop that kind of flows together really well. Above that, you'll see a medicine cabinet, as well as a one-piece molded fiberglass shower with 3 doors on it, as well as a handheld shower handle. To the side of that, you'll see that we have a closet for a stackable washer and dryer. Each floor plan varies on the location of the washer and dryer. It is always prepped for it, but this one, it is a stackable unit for your washer and dryer. Standard in all of our DRVs is a porcelain toilet. Whether that's a macerator toilet or not, it is always going to be a porcelain toilet, something that DRV does standard for all of their units. DRV offers a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on all of their units, covering anything from paint, woodworking, and appliances as well. But new for 2018 is a 3-year limited structural warranty. We stand behind our product. We know we build a quality product, and this is just a way to show our retail customers that we do build a quality product. So if there's any issues that arise down the road, know that we're going to have your back in taking care of the issues.